Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Good attitude versus bad attitude. Everyone has good and bad days, but our attitude can make a big difference in how we handle them. Let's begin. 1. Traffic jam. Good attitude, more time to enjoy my favorite music. Bad attitude, this is the worst day ever. Reason, a positive mindset reduces stress. 2. Rainy day. Good attitude, perfect weather for a cozy break. Bad attitude, everything is ruined. Reason, flexibility helps us adapt. 3. Making a mistake. Good attitude, I learned something new. Bad attitude, I can never do anything right. Reason, learning beats quitting. 4. Waiting in line. Good attitude, no rush. I'll be patient. Bad attitude, why is this taking forever? Reason, patience creates peace. 5. Team project. Good attitude, let's work together. Bad attitude, I don't want to help anyone. Reason, cooperation gets better results. 6. Receiving advice. Good attitude, thanks, I'll think about it. Bad attitude, don't tell me what to do. Reason, openness encourages growth. 7. Losing a game. Good attitude, good game. It improve next time. Bad attitude, the game is unfair. Reason, sportsmanship builds character. 8. Early morning alarm. Good attitude, a new day. Let's go. Bad attitude, 5 more hours please. Reason, energy influences productivity. 9. Meeting new people. Good attitude, nice to meet you. Bad attitude, I don't want to talk. Reason, friendliness creates opportunities. 10. Constructive feedback. Good attitude, this can help me improve. Bad attitude, everyone is against me. Reason, feedback helps development. 11. Technology problems. Good attitude, let's find a solution. Bad attitude, I give up. Reason, problem solving is more effective. 12. Sharing success. Good attitude, congratulations. Bad attitude, why not me? Reason, celebrating others builds a goodwill. 13. Home routines. Good attitude, let's get it done. Bad attitude, not my problem. Reason, responsibility earns trust. 14. Trying something new. Good attitude, this could be fun. Bad attitude, I'll fail anyway. Reason, confidence encourages growth. 15. Everyday life. Good attitude, I'll do my best today. Bad attitude, nothing matters. Reason, a positive outlook improves resilience.